Hey guys, I'm back with another video. As I said that we'll solve a certain problem we found yesterday in this part in today's video. This is code.org Pong game part 2 plus a new game will be started in this one. So the new game which will be started in this one will be air hockey game. Yeah, we'll design the air hockey game today. Let's click on run. And let's see if we are getting the same problem right now also. Again space, again space, again space, again space. Yeah, we are getting that problem, and if we press R then the score gets reset. So how to solve this? As we can see, game over comma 170 comma 150, we have written x-axis and the y-axis inside the inverted commas. They should be outside the inverted comma. I'll put the inverted comma here. Let's see if we are getting game over now. 1 2 3 4 5. As you can see, we are getting the game over now. We need press restart to start under the game over. Now we need to mention the x and the y axis of this one, right? So we'll take the x and the y axis of press start to press space to start 150 and 180. So we'll write here 150 180. Okay. Now let's see if we're getting it or not. Let's see 1 2 3 4 5. Yes, we are getting this, and if we press R, then the game state is changing to serve. Very nice. So with this we completed our game. Let me bigger it and then I will play it over here. Let's play it. Oh. It's impossible to beat the computer in this game because we have set the y1 of the ball as the this one computer paddle. Oh no, we lost it. So yeah guys, this was the game. Hope you like this game, making this one. Now we'll start a new game, a fresh game, air hockey. So from here, click on create, click on game lab. This would be automatically saved in your projects tab. Now we'll come up with the untitled project. This is the long code, right? Now rename it like air hockey game. Click on save. Okay. Now in this there are too many variables to be created. So let's just start one by one. Before anything, please subscribe to my channel Atharv-The Master Coder because you're following it from many days, right? So let's create the variables now. Var goal1 equal to create sprite. This game will be completed in two parts actually, right? This game would be completed in two parts. Part 1 is today. Today's video is part 2 of Pong game and part 1 of air hockey game. That's so funny. So the x and the y axis and the width and the height would be 228. Width and the height would be 120. Okay. Now we'll create. We'll write here. Draw sprites like this. Very good. Now we'll write goal1 dot shape color equal to, remember, white. Okay, and then in function draw, we'll write background, oh sorry, background in bracket double quote green. The background for our game would be green. Okay, let me put semicolon here. If you see, let me remove it now. If you see this yellow triangle one, and you click and you just take a mouse over it, you will see missing semicolon. Means it needs us to put the semicolon here. Let's run the code now. Yeah, as you can see, this goal is created here, and here would be our medal, right? Mallet, sorry, mallet. Here would be a mallet, and here one more goal would be created. Now let's reset it. We'll create another where goal 2 would be equal to create sprite 200 372 200 372 100 and 20. Then, oh sorry, goal 2 dot shape color equal to, again, white. This is done. Okay, let's see. Yeah, as you can see, just parallel to this goal 1 is the goal 2. Now the striker, the main thing, the striker, where striker is equal to create strike. Inside the brackets we'll write 200 200 10 10 striker dot, oh sorry, shape color equal to white. Right, let's reset it and run. Okay, as you can see, this is the striker here, and here would be would come on mallets. Now it's the chance for player mallet and the computer mallet. Let's make these also where player mallet equal to create sprite. Inside it we'll write 200 oh sorry 50 50 10. Okay, everything would be white actually. Player mallet dot shape color equal to white. Okay, let's reset it and run. This is the player mallet which will operate, and here would come the computer mallet which the computer will operate. As same as we created the Pong game, we'll assign the y value of the striker, oh sorry, x value of the striker to the computer mallet, right? This time we'll do the x value because the striker should move from this to this to this, like that. Okay, so let us create where computer mallet equal to create sprite. What would be the x and y? 200 350, sorry, 50 and 10. Okay, what's that? Computer mallet is not defined. Is defined, but it's not. Okay, okay, okay. This is coming because we have not written any program for this computer mallet because it's called now, so the semicolon is gone. Computer mallet dot shape color equal to white. The semicolon. Reset and run. Okay. So the player and the computer mallet, the goal 1 and the goal 2, the striker is created. Now we need to create the boundaries also, as you know, so that it would look the classic air hockey board. So let's create a variable where outer outer boundary 1, sorry, not cards, where outer boundary 1 equal to create price. It would be outer boundary 398, 400, 5, 80. It would be too thin. 5 and 80. Now outer boundary dot shape color, outer boundary 1 dot shape color equal to white, same color. Reset and run. Here's the outer boundary. This this one is the outer boundary. Actually, see, this one is the outer boundary. This would not be 80. This would be 800 actually. And one. Now this is the outer boundary at the size as bigger, right? You can see this is the outer boundary. Okay, let me make it red for once. REP. Reset and run. As in, this is the outer boundary. Okay, let's make it red only this time. No, no, blue. Let's make it blue. Oh, oh. Let's make it blue. Okay. Today we'll create the variable, all the variables, the outer boundaries, and then tomorrow we'll work, and then in the next video we'll work on the game. Okay, where outer boundary 2 equal to create sprite, then outer boundary 2 would be 0, 2, 0, uh, 0 to 800, 5. Let's see what's that. It will be made here, as you can see this gray above. Then outer boundary 2 dot shape color equal to blue. Reset and run. This is the outer boundary 2. There are inner boundaries also. There are 6 inner boundaries, 4 outer boundaries. Right, right. Okay. Now where outer boundary 3 equal to create sprite equal to create sprite, and then we'll write here outer boundary 3 would be 2 0 5 800. Let's see what happens now. Insert and run. This outer boundary will be created here, as you can see here. This gray can be seen by you. Okay. Now outer boundary 3 dot shape color equal to blue again. Okay. Now reset and run. As you can see, this is the fourth outer boundary. Now where outer boundary 4 equal to create sprite, this outer boundary 4 would be created 0 comma 398 comma 800 comma 7, odd number, right? Reset and run. This would be created here in the bottom. Now let's put semicolon. Outer boundary 4 dot shape color equal to again our favorite blue, right? Again our favorite blue. Reset and run. Yeah, outer boundaries are created and the game is looking very classic. Tomorrow we'll work on the game working. Let's say more variables will be created now. Where inner boundary 1 equal to create sprite 5 comma 385 comma 800 comma 5. Let's see what happens. This would be visibly created because it's the inner boundary. Yeah, it would be created here, as you can see. Let's put it white only. Inner boundary 1 dot shape color equal to white, right? Now reset and run. Yeah, white here. Now I will get, I think, here or here. I think, yeah, here about this. Okay. So now where inner boundary 2 equal to create sprite, then we will write it as 0 comma 13 comma 800 comma 5, odd numbers. Again, let's reset here. Yeah, it is created here now. Let's put its shape color to be white. Inner boundary 2 dot shape color equal to white and a semicolon. Now reset and run. These both are creating this one, but there are 6. Let's see. The last two, the shape color would be pink actually. Now, what if I show blocks of this? It would look like this. Yes, it would look like this. Let me show text only. It would more fine. Where inner boundary 3 equal to create sprite. Inner boundary 3 would be 13 0 5 800. You see the end after giving the shape color. Inner boundary 3 dot shape color equal to white. Let's see now where it's created. As you can see, it's created here, top to bottom, here. Yeah, not one would be created here, and I think two would be created here and here. I don't know where it would be created. Now, let's create the oh, yeah, that inner boundary 4 equal to create sprite. The fourth one would be 387 and then 0 5 800. Let's see. Now inner boundary 4 dot shape color equal to white simple white reset and one. Yeah, all the four inner boundaries are created, but just two are remaining. Let's see where would be created. Where inner boundary 5 equal to create sprite. It would be 15. It would be 15 30 800 5.5, right? Semicolon. Inner boundary 5 dot shape color equal to pink. We'll keep it as pink. Let's see, let's create it. Yeah, it's created here as you can see. Here and here also. It will be created. Right? Actually, it would be 130. Right? Because it's overlapping this one, right? Yeah, it would be created here and one would be created here somewhat. So let's move it with the sixth one. Where I said right, there are many variables. We are at 43rd line in creating the variables only. Where inner boundary 6 equal to create price. It would be 15 270 805 and then semicolon outside, and then inner boundary 6 dot shape color equal to pink and a semicolon. Here is the semicolon. Reset and run. Yes, Now creating variables is finished. Hope you enjoy doing the coding with me in this video. I'll move it a little bit down. Yeah. So with this we finished creating the variables of air hockey game. This video is called Air Hockey Game Part 1 and Pong Game Part 2. In this we also solved the problems in the Pong game. The Pong game we finished and the air hockey game we started. In the next video we'll finish the air hockey game Pakka wala. We'll finish the air hockey game and then hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, share and subscribe. Like and share this video. Subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.